NPJ technology have a very good potential what we see here. A lot of advantages we can do to additive technology. The part what we are seeing, ceramic parts are look very nice, very sharp surface.
I think that NPJ technology best for medical application, aerospace, automotive and education.
Our plans for this machine is to use them with, first of all, ceramic parts, because different industries are interested in the application of ceramic, and now in the market we cannot find real fine solution for build ceramic parts. And what the XJet proposal is really a nice solution, and we see a big potential for medical application and aviation and so on. The main benefits of this technology, what we are seeing, is a real big tray and real fast machine, including very thin layers. So we can get real fine ceramic parts directly from the machine with very fast way on this case. Besides this, it was debinded during the process, so we don't need a big post-process afterwards, so just only sinter.
You can easily remove support from real part.
It's a good advantages for your technology.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. See you again.
Тут пиво, куда можно. Красивая.